Aveda already had several steps along the journey. We had been avoiding animally derived ingredients with the exception of materials from bees. We actually spent some time reviewing, okay, what would it mean for us to get to vegan? What would we need to do? And we wanted to be sure before we made that commitment that we wouldn't be giving up any performance. Aveda uses a lot of different ingredients. And as part of our vegan transition, we went back and reviewed all of our products and looked for which ingredients would need to be removed. Those were honey, beeswax, beeswax absolute. You can do a lot of things with botanicals that I think would surprise people. Means that we've identified new ways of making your hair feel soft, feel strengthened, feel more healthy. We also went and looked at the ingredients that might have animal-derived ingredients involved in their processing. Because we want to be sure that it's not showing up as a processing aid in any of our ingredients like sugar or ferments or any ingredients like that.